डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप चाहते हो कि कैसे केमिकल फॉर्मूला लिखे, सो बहुत ही सिंपल है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ओनली 3 steps, and that are identify the ion, second write their valency and cross the valency. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको दिए हुए आयंस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसका वैलेंसी लिखना है और उसके वैलेंसीज को क्रॉस कर देना. इसको हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you would like to write the chemical formula of sodium sulfate, so here we are going to derive chemical formula of sodium sulfate. Okay, so for this we must know about the valencies of the common ions. Okay, if you are looking the first group element, that are hydrogen, lithium and sodium, so these elements have the valency 1. While if you are talking about the barium, magnesium and calcium, so the valencies of these elements are is 2. Okay, now if you are talking about the valency of halogens, halides, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodide, hydroxyl ion, nitrates and nitrites, so all of these have valency 1. While if you are talking about the sulfates and sulfide, carbonates, so these having the valency 2. While the valency of this phosphate and phosphide is 3. Okay, so let's say we are going to derive here chemical formula of the sodium sulfate. So what is the symbol of sodium? Na. Okay, here the sulfate. What is the sulfate? SO4. Okay, so right here SO4. Now we know that the valency of the sodium is 1, while the valency of sulfate is 2. So we have to cross the valency of sulfate is equals to the number of sodium ions, and the valency of sodium is equals to the number of sulfates ion. So we'll write here the chemical formula of sodium sulfate is like this: Na₂SO₄. So this is the chemical formula of inorganic salt sodium sulfate. See the next example, that is the potassium carbonate. Okay, so here the symbol of potassium is K, and the symbol of carbonate is CO3. Okay, so from given data, you know that the valency of potassium is 1 and valency of carbonate is 2. You have to do same thing here. The valency of carbonate is equals to the number of potassium ions, so it becomes 2, and the valency of potassium is equals to the number of potassium ions, so it is just 1. So you'll write the chemical formula of potassium carbonate